Welcome back to Medina County, Texas, GMRS. I'm excited to let you know that we hit the 750 subscriber mark. We got some cool stuff to give away. We're going to do the SDRs to all the YouTube subscribers. We hit 100 members on our Facebook group. So the BTech GMRS 20V2 will be going to one of those lucky winners. And a quick update from Tidradio on the ODMaster app that I want to read to you real fast. Let's take a look at it all. So to any of you H8 owners or anybody that has to use the ODMaster app to program any of your radios, Tidradio sent me an email about a week or so ago letting me know that ODMaster, they have upgraded the security of the app itself. Just want to read you a few highlights from the email and to try to help reassure everybody that the ODMaster app is safe to use. So at first, HTTP is not secure enough, so they have upgraded it so it will become secure. They want you to know that the password transmission is MD5 encrypted, and it's not necessary to fill in some of the information such as gender and date of birth. ODMaster does not require real name information. Any information can be registered and used. Almost all service providers require a free account to match your needs and others, so this isn't a big deal according to them. Use of the mini email accounts most is allowed, or set up a Gmail or Microsoft email account for some additional separation from your main email account is what they're suggesting. ODMaster requires a login to just program the radio. One of the reasons for this is there are social media components to the app, such as messaging directly with Tidradio support and other Tidradio users. The reason for registration is that the app needs to know who you are to store your programming files and link them with your phone using the web-based portal. About permission issues, ODMaster app defines it to be an outdoor master, repeater list programmer. So the POC function lets people use mobile phone as walkie-talkies. It can also let people use walkie-talkies to talk to mobile phones. More functions you can imagine from this, like record voice from the walkie-talkie. So it just goes into some of the other features of it. They just wanted to let y'all know that it has been upgraded. The login is more secure. You know, I know they're still working on getting the H8 fixed, but just wanted to give you this piece of information for them, and I'll leave a link to the email that they sent so you can go in and take a look at it. All right, so now for the fun part. So we hit 750 subscribers, and as I promised all of you to show my appreciation and thanks, we've given stuff away at 250 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and now the 750 mark, with more to come at 1,000. So I have these 4 SDRs that are going to be sent out to the 4 lucky winners. So I have taken the time to print everybody out who has subscribed from YouTube. Now, these are folks who are public subscribers. Some of you are hidden subscribers, so I don't know who you are. So for future drawings, make sure you're a public subscriber if you want to be, and that way we can put you in the bag. All right, so let's see. I'm mixing them all up. They're all in here. All right, got them all mixed up good. So numeral, oh, I lost it. John, oh, if I can get that flipped around. John Derby, you are number 1, sir. Number 2 for an SDR. Let's see who it's gonna be. We have Thomas Grady. Congratulations, Thomas. There's number 2. Number 3 is, come on, Travis Few. I know Travis Few and I have spoke, so congratulations, Travis. And last but not least on the SDRs, just in time for Christmas, right? Let me dig deep for this one. Let me mix them up Look, I'm mixing them up, hands down in the bucket, trying just to pull one, and Kitty plays. Kitty plays. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you're number 4. All right, congratulations to those lucky winners. It's fun giving stuff away. All right, so now, those were for the SDRs. So I've been asking everybody to join my Facebook group, Medina County, Texas GMRS. A lot of you have. We have up to 103 group members, and I can tell you that it's a fun group. A lot of helpful people in this group, especially when it came to a bunch of us acquiring an H8, and we had some issues. Everybody jumped in to help everybody else. So this is not a local group. If you're local to Medina County, Texas, or we don't give a crap where you are in the world, you're more than welcome to join and converse with us in our Facebook group. So this is going to one of the lucky winners of the Medina County, Texas GMRS Facebook group. So let me get that bag, and it's all 103 people because all profiles are public in the group, so nobody is hidden. All right, this is my 511 bag. I'm mixing them up just so you can see in there. All right, they're mixed up good. I did remove my name, I think. No, I'm just kidding. I did. All right, here it is. Here it is. Hold on. All right, Don Wagner. Don Wagner, you're the lucky winner. I'm going to be doing my best to contact each of you to give away, to mail your prizes out to you. You're going to have to message me, private message me, or email me at Medina County, Texas GMRS at gmail.com to give me your address so I can ship your goodies off to you, once again, just in time for Christmas. So the winners of the BTech GMRS 20V2, Don Wagner. For the SDRs, we had John Derby, Thomas Grady, Kitty Plays, and Travis Few. I love doing these, guys. I hope everybody is enjoying the holiday season. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not a member of our Facebook group, please join. If you know anybody interested in GMRS or want to learn about it, have them subscribe. Share my videos with them. Have them subscribe to the channel, and we'll be giving more stuff away and doing more videos. We have some cool news coming up, hopefully soon, that I'm excited to fill you in on. Oh, and we are upgrading the Vertex. We are in the beginning process of getting this one either traded in or sold, and we're going to be upgrading to the Motorola, which will be a full 50-watt unit, give us much better coverage and some other exciting things. So I hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy my channel as much as I enjoy having you here. Happy holidays, and we'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.